See, we have a new kitten here. This is a new kitten. We have a new kitten. My wife placed the container of the Whiskas there, and he is eating now. See that? He's eating Whiskas, tuna flavor. We have a new kitten here in our house. Outside our house. He's staying outside our house. Maybe this is the son or daughter of Lexter. See that? He is eating Whiskas, tuna flavor. From now on, I will always place their Whiskas tuna flavor. He's not living inside the house. He's living out there. This kitten is living outside the house. When we approach him, he runs. So we cannot approach this kitten because when we approach him, he runs. There's Andrew. Andrew is climbing. Andrew is climbing. And Panda is over here. Panda is over here. And the new kitten is eating Whiskas over there. The new kitten is eating Whiskas over there. See that? The new kitten is eating Whiskas. Panda is over here and the new kitten is eating Whiskas. He's very hungry. He is very hungry. He's eating Whiskas tuna flavor. We place it there. I think he is 2 or 4 months old. I think he is already 4 months old. 3 or 4 months old. This kitten is 3 or 4 months old. That tail looks like Lexter's tail. Maybe this is the son of Lexter. I'm not sure of that. See, the kitten is eating. Very hungry. I cannot approach because he will run. He will run. We cannot approach the kitten because the kitten runs when we approach him. But when we place the Whiskas, oh, he's very hungry. He is very hungry. This is good that the kitten is already eating. I will place there everyday Whiskas so that he will come and eat. We will watch this kitten grow. We'll watch this kitten grow. And here's Panda also. Panda and Andrew is over there. Panda and Andrew is over there. And Oreo, Young, Oreo. Oreo is over here. Oreo is over here. And the kitten is over there. The kitten is over there, busy eating. And Cardo is over there. Cardo. Andrei is over there. Andrei is hunting again, looking for rat. Andrei is hunting again. Andrei is a hunter. Andrei is a hunter. You see that? Andrei is hunting again, looking for rat. Andrei is hunting again, looking for rat. That. And Panda and Andrew is over here. Panda and Andrew is over here. And there's the kitten eating Whiskas tuna flavor. The kitten is over there eating Whiskas tuna flavor. He is very hungry. It's good that kitten is not thin. That kitten is not thin. He has a good body. He has a good shaped body. I will place Whiskas tuna flavor there every day so that he will come and eat. He lives outside the house. But when we approach him, he runs away. So we cannot approach this kitten. He runs away. He's very hungry. He's eating Whiskas tuna flavor. The kitten is eating Whiskas tuna flavor. Okay. We will place Whiskas there every day so that he will eat. He will eat Whiskas tuna flavor. He is very hungry. See that? He is very hungry. He is very hungry. Eating Whiskas tuna flavor. See that? I cannot approach him. I will stay here on the distance. Because when I approach him, he will run away. That Andrew is over there. Andrew is over there. And Cardo is over there. Cardo is over there. See that? Cardo. Andrei is over there. Andrei. That's Andrei. That's Cardo over there hunting for rat. Cardo is a rat hunter. Cardo is a rat hunter. You see that? Cardo is looking for rat. Cardo has killed many rats already. Rats and mice. Cardo has hunted many rat and mice already. He has killed many rats and mice already. He likes to see that? Andrew is over here climbing down. Andrew is over here. Andrew is over here. And then Oreo is over there. Oreo, Young, Andrew is going in the house. Oreo is going in the house. Oreo, young, Oreo. Good dog, Oreo. Panda is over there. Panda is over there. Panda. And the kitten is over there eating Whiskas to not flavor. The kitten is eating Whiskas to not flavor. And the kitten is eating Whiskas to not flavor. Panda approach the kitten. Panda approach the kitten. Panda approach the kitten. Panda approach. Panda approach the kitten. The kitten ran away. The kitten ran away. Kitten ran away. There's my daughter Sheena. My daughter is here, Sheena. Asan si Pats? Ah, Pats is over here. Choco, Pats is over here. Choco is over here. Choco, sirado mo dyan, Shin, para hindi lumabas.
Pats ma.
Choco is over here. Balik na video ko excuse me. Video ko ni Choco. Choco, come. Si Choco nandito. Excuse me. Choco, come. Choco. Choco, come here. Choco, come here, Chocoy. Chocoy, come here. Choco, come here, Choco. Come. Balik. Dito ka, dito. Dyan ka, dyan. Go there, okay? Yan ka, Chocoy. Aakyat na naman. Aakyat sa hagdanan, no? Yan si Choco, aakyat sa hagdanan. Choco, aakyat ka? Yan si Choco, kasama yung tatay niya. Chocoy and Panda. Choco and Panda. Chocoy and Panda. Chocoy and Panda, father and son. Choco 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 is over here with his father, Panda. Choco is over here with his father, Panda. Chocoy and Panda. Chocoy. Oreo is over here also. Chocoy and Oreo and Panda. Anong isensin? Andito na? Pumasok na? Andrei, i-end ko lang to sin ngayon. 10 minutes. Chocoy, Oreo, Andrew, and Panda is on the video. Chocoy, Oreo, and Panda is on the video right now. Andrew is on the couch relaxing. Oreo is over here. At Oreo went down. That's Choco, Oreo, and Panda. Choco, Oreo, and Panda, and Andrew is over there on the couch relaxing. Choco, Oreo, and Panda, and Choco is over here. Choco is over here, and Andrew is over there on the couch. Andrew is over there on the couch. See that? And Andrew is over there on the couch. And Panda and Choco is here with Oreo. Choco is here. Binuksan mo siya, hindi mo sinarado. Lalabas yan si Choco. Choco, come. Come here. Pasok lang siya dito. Choco. Akyat, Choco. Choco, akyat. Go up. Akyat ka. Akyat, go up. Akyat. Choco, akyat na. Saka na, Choco, saka. Go ahead, Choco. Climb the stair. Hindi siya gusto. Panda is over here with his son, Choco. Panda is over here with his son, Choco. Choco and Panda is over here. Choco and Panda is over here. My daughter Sheena is over here. Choco and Panda is over here. Choco and Panda. Malapit na siya. 30 seconds na. Choco is climbing the stairs. Choco, akyat na. Inakyat na. Umakyat yung kahapon, Sin. Umakyat sa sagdanan. Akyat na, Choco. Choco, akyat na. Go ahead. Akyat yan. Akyat na siya. Akyat na yan. Akyat na. Buksan mo ilaw dun sa taas. Akyat ka dyan sa sagdanan. Sa hallway. Para umakyat siya. Buksan mo ilaw dyan, Sin, para makita niya. Akyat yan. Yan. Buksan mo dyan. Tawagin mo. Akyat na, Choco. Up, Choco, up. Wait, Patch.
Pas.
Patch, akit na.
Let's come.
Akit na, Patch. Choco, up na. Up, Choco. Kunin mo, ilagay mo sa kanan. Ilagay mo din sa second, sa pangalawang kanan.
Malinis na.
Oh, Choco is there, oh. Go up na, Choco, up na. Up na, Choco. Go up, go up. Go up. Akyat, Choco. Akyat. Akyat na. Bumaba siya. Daliin ko na to. Sheena, my daughter. Choco is over here. 11 minutes na lang, sinin ko 11 minutes. Panda and Oreo is over here. And Oreo is over up. This is Andrew. Andrew is over here. That Andrew is over here. Andrew is over here. Okay. Advance Happy New Year everyone. God bless us all.